And if when all a vigil keep, the West asleep, the West asleep, alas, and well may Erin weep, that Connacht lies in slumber deep. But hark, a voice like thunder spake, the West's awake, the West's awake. Sing oh hurrah, let England quake. We'll watch till death for Erin's sake.